Okay, welcome back, guys. This is gonna be our seventh tutorial video tutorials on HTML. In this video tutorial, we are going to be discussing about paragraph. You know what paragraph is in your school? They will say write 5 paragraphs of stuff, article or letter or an essay. Okay, now an HTML document are divided into paragraph. HTML articles are divided into paragraph. You can see from my website now we have um an article, this full article like this. Now they are made up of paragraphs. This is the first one, second one, third, fourth, fifth, stuff like that. They are made up of paragraphs. Okay. Now the P tag defines the paragraph in an HTML document. P paragraph. This is a paragraph. Okay. Now for example, let's add another paragraph here. Okay, let me just copy this and duplicate. Okay, now for example, this is another paragraph. Now anything that comes between this is gonna be a paragraph on its own. So even if you like write 500 characters of words, letters of word, it's gonna be one paragraph. It's gonna be on the same paragraph. Now we have the first one and the second one. Now you can see that below the first paragraph there's the browser automatically adds a line break, a kind of a space between the first one, imagine, okay, and the second one. Now is this is done by the use of this tag. Now like I told you before, sorry, it's not we, I'm the only one that's been teaching you all this so I cannot say we. Who is the we? Okay, like I told you before, that HTML tags are used to define the structure of a website. So it's those tags that the browser used to structure the website, the web pages. Okay. All right. You cannot be sure how HTML will be displayed. So in larger or smaller screens, and resized window will create different results. Okay. Now you can see in from my website, yeah. Now you see that when you try to resize this, you see how information are being displayed here. You see it's different now. You see that it's different. So with HTML you cannot change the output by adding extra space or line in your HTML code. The browser will remove extra space and extra line when the page is displayed. Okay, now that's for example if you decide to probably create another line here, create a long line, break them, so you're gonna see it's not gonna really affect the browser. It's not gonna really affect the output of the informations there. Okay, now any number like that, that's to tell you any numbers of space and any number of new lines, the browser will count it as only one space. Okay, now if for example let's try to do this, check this out. This is a paragraph, and this will also be be in the same line, line with others, thanks to the browser. Whatever, I'm thanking the browser, but it doesn't really make sense though, so I'm just trying to show you how it works. So try the videos in the browser and see what's gonna happen. Wow, you see, now the browser really ignores the break you give to the data here. Okay, now it's just like probably if you're spacing this, this, let's see, okay, it's gonna space that actually. Okay, now check that out, it's the same. It's funny though, anyway. It's funny, but that's how it's been programmed to understand HTML. Okay, please. Anytime you're writing anything, or maybe you're writing a tag here, an opening tag. Always endeavor to close the tag. Now, like I told you, different browsers can browse. Some browsers might ignore your mistakes, but some will not. But it's always advisable you close it. As cool as that. Okay. There's what we call line break. I tried to show you that before. So if you have an intention of breaking this line, all you have to do is just add br, yeah, and it will break that to the next line. As simple as that. So anytime you want to break, so don't just do like this. You can just br, put it in another. It's gonna take anything after it and output it in another line. Okay, so that's just as simple as that. Okay, now there's what we call pre tag. Now the pre element defines pre-formatted text. The text inside the pre element is displayed in a fixed width font called Korea. Korea, like this. It's not Korea. Korea. It's not Korea. Korea, not like that. It's Courier. Something like that. Okay. So now let's try to check this out. I already worked on this and check it out. Now this is pre opening tag and closing tag. Now let's see the difference between this one and this one. Yeah, you've seen that. It's just like that. Okay, and it preserves both space and line break. Now anything you write here in the first line, the second line, the way you arranged it while you're typing is the way it's going to be shown. It's going to be displayed. Okay. All right. Now I've told you about the P that defines the paragraph. I've shown you how to break a line, and I've showed you the pre-formatted text tags tag. Sorry. Okay, and that's where we're gonna call this the end of the video tutorial. So in my next video, watch out for it. I'll be showing you guys what am I going to show you? HTML styles. Okay, how you can add colors to your web files. Okay, and stuff close to that. How you can style them, background colors and stuff like that. This is just gonna be a little in a little way. It's not gonna be much, but I'm gonna be recommending you, if you want to add style and beauty to your website, you're going to use what we call, there's a language designed to do that for us, and it's called CSS. Okay, it's called CSS. I'm going to really take time. I'll be creating a video session for that. Sorry, a video series for that. So like we're having HTML, we're having PHP, we're going to have CSS, we are going to have jQuery, and we are also going to have Java programming language, because I want to share everything I know with lots of you. Okay, and I know by doing this I'm also improving myself. I'm also improving. I know how I was before I started doing this tutorial, but I am better now. I learn a lot of things each day. Okay, while trying to show you guys. Okay, please, if you like what I'm doing, please, all you have to do is just subscribe and like. Please, if you have any question, you can always get back to me through the comment section, and I'll get back to you too by I'll also get back to you. Okay, all right, now see you in the next video. Okay.